In this video, I will show you how to change someone's name on Instagram chat. Okay, so first of all, let's open Instagram. Now click on top right corner on your messages. Select the desired user. Now click on top left, right behind your profile icon. Select nicknames right over here and change the nickname according to your choice. Now click on done. As you can see, now the name is changed. So that's it for the video. That's how you can change someone's name on Instagram chat. If you find this video helpful, consider a like and subscribing the channel. Thank you very much.